Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I'm not going to be playing music for everybody to hear. My YouTube did get flagged for copyright because I was playing music on the background. Super low, I know, but let's stick with the guidelines. All right, let's go over the watch really quickly. What we have going on today. Let's start off with SPY. We want to see SPY hold this 49.6 if it comes back down. It rejected up here at the 498, 499 level yesterday. As you see, it started to reject a little bit right here. That correlates with SPX 5000. So it's either we break and hold above this for a squeeze up into this 500. That'll be a high risk. Or we look for any type of resistance down here, up here, excuse me, for a move back down lower. Or you could just literally wait for it to break and hold above 500 for SPY. All right, Palantir. They have been very, very good to us this week. So we're like a break and hold above this 24, or for it to come back down to this 22.5 to 22 for a bounce. Disney had great earnings yesterday, shot up about $8. So we like the break and hold above 108, come down to the 100 or 101 for a bounce. You could take a high risk entry at this 103. There is some old resistance turned into support at this level, but ideally I do like the 100, 101. Roblox, they've been sitting in this channel right here after earnings, so we could literally play this either way: a break and hold above 47.22, a bounce at this 42.5, 43, or a break and hold below this 42, and we could use this 42.5, 43 for resistance. I'm not looking at anything else other than these three and SPY, so this is why I have SPY up here as well. So I am going to put myself on mute really quickly and go grab some coffee, but I'll be right back. All right, we are back. It is 9:25. We'll go over the watch list one more time. Palantir, PLTR, break and hold 24, come back down to this 220, 22.5 to 22 for a bounce. Disney, break and hold above this 108. There is some resistance turn to support here at this 103, 104 level. You could take a high risk entry there. Ideally, we like the 100, 101. Roblox 43, 42.5 for a bounce, or break and hold above this 47.22. You could probably even get in at 46. I know that's what I gave out, but ideally, if you want to be more safe, wait for that 47.22. It's a whole dollar away, but it's a safer entry. SPY, very simple. We started to reject a little bit up here, started showing some resistance at this level here, which correlates to SPX 5000. We do have room up to this 500. It would be a break and hold above this level here, which was yesterday's high. It's a high risk entry for a move up into this 500. But any signs of weakness up here, you could start looking at puts as well. Ideally, we like to see the break and hold above 500 for a move up higher. If not, we would like to see SPY come down to this 46, hold it, give us that confirmation for a move back up higher. CRM. CRM has been on our watch list for quite a while. It finally broke 290. Keeping an eye on that. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to keep an eye on that. I'm not just going to jump in because it broke that 290 level. That one would be most likely a swing, or I'm just going to add that to my long term. All right, let's get this going. Again, I'm not going to play music loud, but let's get it. I'm about to join the Discord. Yo, yo. All right, let's get this going. We're about a minute and a half from the open. Get your contracts ready. Get them loaded. Top two watches that I'm looking at in the morning right now are Palantir and Disney.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Cyber Arc. Cyber Arc. Thing just ballooned.
CyberArk.
Yeah, they just Cyber's been killing it on the earnings this week.
I think that's probably going to be the next bull run. Cyber.
Oh, I think it's been it.
No, I
I
mean
mean, it's gonna.
like more mainstream. I mean,
Oh yeah, like more institutional buying.
yeah, yeah. That's exactly the word I was looking for.
I don't know. I got some Nvidias ready. I feel like they're ready to bounce off the 700.
I got my Palantir and Disney ready.
Think also net. I'm watching net. They report tonight, I believe, actually, or tomorrow morning, either or. But it's tonight.
Gotta wait for these spreads to calm down.
For sure.
There's that 24
Yeah.
reacting off of
Okay,
that
so
on Palantir.
um, Oh, Ralph Lauren just took a dump. What happened to Ralph Lauren? They didn't take a dump, but I mean, the pre-market, they're losing a lot of their pre-market gains. Ralph Lauren had great earnings too. Oh, I see volume on this Nvidia. Oh, that volume bar turned red. Firm. Ralph Lauren, damn, Ralph Lauren already broke my levels. Wow, that's nice. That's beautiful. Let me see. I can't believe my Palantir shares are probably like up 50% right now.
Yep.
Freaking killer.
It's fighting this 24 right now.
I'm like at the point where I might literally have to take some profits on some of my Roth IRA. I don't want to, but it's like
You're
this
debating
run
it.
has just been, yeah. I'm not even lying. That really happened.
It's reacting off this 24. We need that to break and hold.
I hate grabbing Thursday calls, weeklies. I think I'm jumping in the video. Did I get in? I don't know if I got in.
Into the video.
I was about to for that little pop after I seen the wick, but I don't know if I entered. I don't think it filled.
Basing it off of holding that 700 basically.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Alright, here comes
I
Disney.
canceled it. Oh, wait, I thought I canceled it.
There it is. Disney just broke. We needed to
Whoa.
hold.
Wow. Disney just broke. Disney just really broke.
Okay, we need this to hold up here.
Wow, what a move, Disney. That was beautiful. I'm watching Microsoft for all this AI talk too. Up 6% on the video.
It's a nice move on Disney. Palantir as well.
That was huge. Here we go in the video. Looking close to selling. Putting a $5 price target on it. In case if it hits.
Roblox is coming
But
in.
it might sell before.
Disney looks. The Bulls and Bears are fighting right now at this 108.
Yes, they are. Come on. Yep. Come on. Phil.
Roblox
You're
looks
gonna
strong
fill
as
it.
well.
DKNG, I think, just hit all times. In the video,
I was
let's
talking
go.
about that yesterday. I was playing Call of Duty.
Oh, wait, what happened? Did that fill? What just happened? How come I wouldn't? It wouldn't let me just change it to 485. Why wasn't that? Wow, that was crazy. Just try to adjust my premium and it wouldn't let me, and I thought it sold, but it didn't. So you could not change. There we go. Sold at 485. I'll take it. I wanted 5. Don't tell me it just hit 5. It did hit just 5. Oh well.
Well, here's
It is
here's
below.
Disney trying that 108 again. Let's see what happens. And
Damn, I
Palantir.
went in light on that Nvidia call. It definitely hit 5. Wow, it just ballooned. Why did I change that order? Alright, well,
I like the 110 calls on Disney.
that was a quick little About 15%, 12% winning on Nvidia. Damn, that thing is skyrocketing.
I'm
I
gonna get
knew it
some
was gonna
starters here
skyrocket,
on
but
Disney.
oh damn, net's moving too. Fuck.
Again, these are starters.
Yeah, I only got into starters and I kind of traded it a little bit quick just because it was a Friday expiry
I got
and those
at
move too
102.
quickly. You know how those things move.
Yeah.
But I mean, quick win on the video, man. Jesus, that thing. It's gonna keep going too. That's the thing. I'm kind of mad. I only started in starters. I was kind of just waiting to see, what the morning movement was, because the video was actually going up as the market was kind of still going down.
Hmm.
I'll probably just wait to see um, for another $700 test.
But these contracts are moving like shit.
Oh, look at Microsoft. Telling you,
There we go.
Microsoft is going to
7%.
be an outlier today. Oh man, look at Microsoft.
Here we go. Let's see Disney break these highs. Let's go to 109.
It's going, it's trying it. Wow, Nvidia, thank you, but that was quick. You freaking. I'm already at 5% for the day. See what else we can do.
All right, let's go. Let's go Disney. That's the 7% right there.
Good move, good move.
Let's see it break these highs. Come on, Disney. Let's break 109. That's 10%. Start looking to trim.
Mm,
Boom, 20%, baby. Let's go.
nice. Look at that move. Wow.
25%, baby. Let's go.
Good move, good
Easy pop in
move.
the morning.
Easy popcorn.
You could have grabbed Palantir or Disney off the watch list. Both of them made bank.
For me, it was Ralph Lauren. Well, Ralph Lauren hasn't really moved. That was in my watch list though. It hasn't really. It broke my. It's already at my price level, so probably wouldn't have got into that.
For me to get into this
Microsoft.
bounce on Disney or Palantir, it needs to hold above the previous 5 minute candle and then come back down. If not, I'm not taking the 108 bounce and I'm not taking that 24 bounce. It needs to hold above this candle. The previous candle, excuse me, on both. Bro, that Nvidia shot up beautiful.
I told you, bro. That thing was crazy. I'm kind of mad. I was only in starters, and then I have like a runner. That thing bounced. Like that thing shot up. That and Disney. Disney did shoot up crazy. Microsoft too, man. I was watching Microsoft
I
after all
wasn't.
this
I'm not
AI.
watching Microsoft. Yeah, I should have popped it up.
I literally was looking at Microsoft and it did one bar, small, and then another crazy bar right after. Like
Here comes Roblox
ridiculously nice.
above yesterday's pre-market high off of earnings.
Which one?
Roblox.
Oh yeah. Let me put those up. Let me put those up.
Yeah, what a exit on Nvidia, bro. Good shit.
Yeah. I wasn't playing with that thing on not on a week not on a weekly or
Mm-mm.
1 day expiry.
Same thing with Disney. I was like, yeah, let me just take this profit up here. Just broke the highs. I'm not gonna. I didn't even leave a runner.
Yeah, me I didn't even have a runner like that. I went in light, not too light, but I went in a little light just because I wanted to get that confirmation off of 700.
Mm.
It's hitting VWAP now, so let me see what the market does. Might be a good entry right
Excuse
here.
me.
Same thing with net, but net's not really moving too much.
Let me
But
see
they
where
do
Spy's at.
report.
Spy's
I believe
struggling
after the bell.
to get past that SPX 5000. Roblox looks good, but I need this to break a little higher. Disney's holding that 108, but I think it's
Yeah.
like barely holding it.
I'm gonna take Ralph Lauren off my charts. What's Roblox doing? Alright, let me see what ARM is doing.
I had ARM earlier, but I don't know why I took it off. Let me check.
Oh, it's freaking 35%.
Yeah. You can take the 100 bounce. Keep stops at 99. That doesn't look bad. Or get in at 99. Starters at 100. You see why on Disney, anybody who's on YouTube, I said that in order for me to take that pullback at 108, we needed it to break and hold above higher than that candle. Same thing with Palantir. Both of them didn't, and you see it pretty much kind of rejecting now. Especially
Look at
Palantir.
that guy.
Palantir just fucking died.
Yeah, and Nvidia too. Almost everything with the market is going down except Microsoft right now. That one that I have on my
ARM's holding
charts,
though.
which is
You see ARM? ARM and
yeah.
Roblox are holding. Disney's holding better than Palantir, but
But
there's
look,
some
look
profit
at
taking for sure.
Microsoft. So Microsoft is like a direct
Let me see.
connect to all the markets, and it's actually holding its highs as
Damn,
the
yeah.
market is going down. You know that's
That's
some
relative
fucking
strength right there.
yeah. Damn Nvidia. I might scalp some Nvidias here. It's kind of at days open. I'm gonna wait. Just looking at some cons. I still see some more volume on the downside on the market, but
I do too. CRM. I'm just gonna probably enter long term. I've been waiting for this 290 to break. I don't have any Salesforce in my portfolio, and I really like that 290. I know we're at highs for it, um, so I don't mind getting filled at this 290. It is what it is. So I'm gonna buy some long term, everybody. Long term 290. I have it at the 290 flat. So if it comes down to 290 flat or lower, I'm getting filled. I'm not really worried about that. That's part of my long term. Ideally, you don't want to buy at these highs. At that three all time highs for it is at 311. Call it 312. But it is what it is. I don't have any long term for CRM. I really like the stock Salesforce.
yeah, no, I like it too. I like them a lot too, especially for like a tech down play.
Exactly. All right. Let's see.
I like them a lot, and I see that a lot of work, a lot of jobs that I've actually have worked for, they all use Salesforce as like kind of their
This
interface
their CRM.
platform. You know,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
It's funny that's literally their ticker CRM.
yeah. No, right. I literally before I have to close a deal, sometimes I have to just put exit to CRM. Like it just straight up says exit to CRM.
If Palantir holds above 22.10, if it closes above that, that's a good indication for calls.
Damn, I tried to dip by this Nvidia. Didn't fill. I need to start doing some more market buys. Market buys. Yep. Those $2 cons, they were at 188. I was trying to get in at $2. They're at 244 now.
Yeah, right now I'm
Yeah,
not
two.
confident on anything other than
Um,
Palantir to break and hold above 24.10.
I'm only confident in scalps. I wasn't even thinking. I was thinking just a quick
Fuck
bounce.
Microsoft.
It's the beast, bro. I literally, I don't know why I didn't put it in my watch list because like just looking around, I'm like Microsoft's gonna rip today because everything that's happening right now, they're gonna benefit
I had them
one
off
way or
of my
another.
watch list today.
I need more shares. I can never have enough Microsoft shares. I've been saying this forever. Microsoft's my baby.
Microsoft is beautiful to have. I was telling my boy yesterday because he said, "Oh, I got some Apple stock," and I was like, "Good, never sell it until Apple like goes out of business."
Yeah. Microsoft just hit an all-time high. Disney's bouncing off that it's open.
Hmm.
Um, Good thing I didn't rush into Nvidia, because if I did rush into it, I mean, I would have got at that $2. I would have gotten a nice $2 to 250 exit, but it kind of rejected. Well, I mean, if I FOMO'd it, I would have definitely lost some money.
Hmm.
I'm still in these net. I did get in a net call. I kind of want to swing a net call
It's not a bad
for the
swing
earnings,
for the
because I
earnings.
mean,
Yeah,
every single every single cyber play has been killing it, and the three cyber plays that I trade the most is Net, Palantir, and Palo Alto.
I'm looking
So I,
at Palantir. It needs to close above 24.10 in order for me to start looking to see if I'm going to get in for calls. Again, not jumping in anything. It needs to hold above it. If I miss this move, I miss it. It is what it is.
yeah, I got $90 calls. I'm not swinging these. These are weeklies. Um, was just looking for a nice little. I'm trying to actually see if I can get somewhat of. I don't think I'll get a free runner, but if I get some, I'll get a call off discount off the profits I make off of a day trade on net for swing.
Mm.
So it's basically I'll probably get a call a little bit cheaper, just because I'll be able to get some equity off them just day trading them.
Yeah. Well, there's that Microsoft pullback. It's a,
Yeah, I'm looking at to get back into Nvidia.
that's a big pullback right there. You gra- Nvidia, you said? Let me pull it up.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I just love trading Nvidia, guy. Like, I just know them so much. I just love getting them. So if this QQQs can get to VWAP, I'll be lovely. I got in around 220, I believe, on the same 720 calls. I'm already up 6%,
It's a
up
nice move on
7%,
Palantir.
8%.
Back to day's highs. We'll see if it holds it though.
QQQ zone is kind of rejecting VWAPs, kind of scaring me. I might not get my 10%. I'm at 8%. I'm at 8 to 9%. Keeps fluctuating. I still believe I can get a little bit more, but QQQ's got to help a little bit here. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Nvidia. There we go. There we go. Can I
Nvidia.
get a 275 exit? Can I get a 275 exit? I'll be happy with that. Can I get a 275 exit? That is VWAP test on 275 exit. Um, I'm adjusting to 270. I see too many wicks.
All right,
Come
a
on, come
hold
on, come
here
on.
on Palantir up at these days highs is a
Net just
good
took
sign.
off.
If it breaks it, even better. Excuse me. Let me grab some coffee.
I think I might exit this Nvidia. Come on, give me 275. Nope, 270. Here we go. I'm gonna get it.
I should have hit it right there.
It should have, but maybe it just ate some premium a little bit,
Mm.
because that touch on VWAP should have went. It's on the ask. There we go. Got it. Now it finally really touched VWAP. Perfect, perfect. That was like about 20% move. Net just took off. Why didn't I not get my next week out so I can swing it? I'm mad, but oh well.
Yeah, I didn't get into Palantirs. If anybody got into that Palantir on the break of 24.10, one, that was ballsy if you did. Two, you're paid.
Again, look at what's going on with Nvidia. I did have a weekly. That means premiums, everything is going to move very, very violently. As you see right now, it's literally rejected VWAP. So great exit, man. Perfect exit. I mean, that was a wick exit right there
Can't beat that. Especially
on
those wick
Nvidia.
exits. That's just like taking the dirt off your shoulder.
It really is, because I mean, if I was sit there and try to get a little bit more greedier, and I was trying to get out at 275 was my exit, that didn't hit. 270 was a perfect exit. Once I seen it didn't hit, I almost even got out 250 once I seen the first wick, because the first wick was a little scary. I think it wicked on a 1 minute. I believe that is the 21 MA. Yes, it is the 21 MA on Nvidia on the 1 minute was the first wick, and that's like literally at 700 too. So it's kind of 750.
Yep.
So VWAP is pretty much at the 700 level. So it's a psychological level that you could see some rejection also. Net looks like it wants to keep going higher. I'm already up 10% on net.
Hey.
Um, I might just have to get a nice little gain on net, and then maybe later on today see if I can get a dip buy for a swing. And arm is just took off, dude. Holy crap!
Yeah, I have it on my other chart, the one that I'm not showing up here on YouTube. Arm is
You know,
killing it. I'll pull it up for people. There it is. That's a beautiful 15-minute candle. The other one, the other 15-minute candle, there's 8 minutes left. If it holds above 109, that would be super ideal. Super, super ideal. Hold above 109, come back, retest that 109, 108 level for a move back up higher. Palantir did a beautiful move. You could start looking for confirmation if it pulls back into 24. Disney's holding 108. It needs to break above 108.75, hold above that, and then you could start looking into potentially grabbing a pullback. Roblox, it's just sitting at this support. It's not a big support, but it is a support at 46.
Microsoft trying to defend VWAP right now. I want to see Microsoft hit $400 so I can just buy some shares there. And then if it goes lower, I'll just keep buying. Let me see what Apple was doing. Apple had like a nice little bounce when I first seen it. I think I'm gonna have to take ARM off my watch list because I mean, what can I do with that right now? I'm sure their premiums are very okay. So yeah,
We have
I
any
don't
data
like seeing
today?
Apple go down when I'm in calls, but I do want to see Apple go back to their 200 MA. Where's Apple at? I want to see Apple get back to the 200 MA. Where is it? Thing is, I'm still wary about Apple. The only thing that's got me feeling not wary about it, because I mean, it's Apple, I guess, for lack of better terms. But really, they finally mentioned their intentions with AI. They've been very hush hush, which is just pretty much how they are. They're not the first one to move on any type of innovation, but they're the ones to mostly master it, or at least make it the most user friendly, given that they own the the iPhone software. You know, the smartphone software,
Yeah.
and just smartphone, just the smartphone really, pretty much market share in the smartphones.
Is
But their software just makes it very user friendly. And they finally did say they are going to do some upgrades or some type of big AI software update, an announcement. And I believe a lot of people believe it will be in the WWDC event, which I believe is like in the summer.
I think it is in the summer. Don't quote us
It's mostly
though.
Yeah, they mostly have two different things. That's why I'm, because I know September is when they mostly do a lot of like product releases or update releases, but I don't think it's in September. I mean, I can actually just Google when's the next WWC event.
Roblox is
WWDC.
holding that 46. I know 46 on Roblox was on my watch list. A break and hold above that. You could potentially get in Roblox here with stops at 45.5. It's already kind of moving. Uh, Disney closed above 108, but not. I mean, it did break above that 108.7. But let's see how it reacts here. You could potentially take a high risk call entry here, which stops below 108. Palantir, look for the pullback into that 24. Don't jump in here. If you hear somebody drinking, that is my dog.
So yes, June. It's mostly on the second week of June. The last two WWDC events were June 5th and June 6th. So it's mostly the first or second week of June. So I mean, definitely buy the rumor, sell the news on that. If it's a trade, if it's just shares, which I'm more interested in than just own it, don't trade it, as Jim Cramer says. That's holding nice right here. It's kind of wicking, but it looks like it wants higher. I'm already up 15%, so I might get a nice little discount call to be able to swing. I just hope I get a dip maybe during lunch to buy that
Those are
call that has at
next
least
week
a week
cons.
expiry.
You're in for net
I am in the $90 calls of
next
this
week.
week.
Oh, this week.
No, I'm only on this week. That's why
Okay.
I need a, you know, create some
Yeah, 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 yeah,
get
yeah.
some
Totally
profits
get it.
off this for the next call.
I thought you were in next week. I'm like, damn.
No, I wanted to. That's what I needed to for the swing, and I was gonna grab it on the dip, but I was more focused on that setup on the video to VWAP. So I kind of had two trades at the same time, so I wasn't really monitor. I was monitoring that, but
Mm-hmm.
just more focused on scalping the video at the time.
Right.
Apple looks like it's bottoming out on 188. I see 188 a lot actually. I
There's
don't have a lot of that,
there's
but there has
Palantir.
to be some
If you grab
resistance.
Palantir off of that 24, break and hold.
No,
It's a
Palantir.
nice
Oh
little
my
move.
god.
24.10. Excuse me.
This is a good problem to have, but I'm almost mad that when I try to buy Palantir off right before the earnings, I had to do a market share uh entry because it was before the open, and I wanted to put all my capital that I had on there, all my VP. I left like a couple dollars because they don't let you do limit buys on dollar amount. So now I literally have like I could have probably got like I think it was like a it was really only a half a share, really a portion of a share, because that's the only thing that had to be like a round share number. But it's like, damn, I'm up 47%. Wow.
That's beautiful.
Palantir was just at like
Bro, they were
barely
in
in
the
the red
yeah.
for me.
They were they were down there. That's like when I told everybody to buy Disney at 80. They were like, "Oh, it's a good
I'm
stock." I'm like, "Look at Disney. Why is it so cheap? Just buy Disney when it's down here."
don't don't remind me that I really needed on my Roth. I had Disney. I believed in Disney. I did get out though. I seen it go. I seen it again about to crack $100. I sold with one of those things that's like, all right, I'm gonna sell, but I'm gonna get back in
Yep.
once they get their shit together. Once I hear what they're actually gonna do with Disney. I mean, not with Disney, with ESPN. Um, and I already knew that some of the movies that they were gonna come out with at the time were gonna flop. Like,
Yep.
I love Marvel, and they were not exciting me as a fan. So it was like, if they're not exciting me, then and I'm a
Exactly.
fan, you
That's
know.
because they went 100% against the comics. They didn't stay with the comics.
Yeah, that's what happened. They lost a lot of the they try to do a lot of those miniseries which saturated the content on Marvel, but also got away from the comic books, like you said.
Yep.
So
I just read
yeah,
something.
that
It said Nvidia is worth 100 billion. That's more than the entire U.S. energy stocks sector.
no, I thought Nvidia's already at a trillion. I'm
I,
pretty sure Nvidia's at a trillion because Nvidia over yeah, it's almost at
that's what I'm
two
saying. It's
trillion.
like,
It
yeah,
literally just
but that's why I was laughing. I was like, because they said 100 billion. I'm like, yeah, we're definitely in the
yeah.
trillions with Nvidia.
I remember when Nvidia just cracked a trillion like a couple months ago, and it's about to crack 2 trillion. And
That's why I started
it
laughing when I
literally
read that. I'm like, yeah, buddy, you're a few a few zeros
a little
away.
far. Yeah, right? You're not, yeah, for real. We got economical news dropping right now.
Yeah, that we have that 10 o'clock data.
Yep.
Anybody who's always looking for data, you could always go into Market Watch, economic calendar, go to today's date, Thursday, wholesale inventories at 12. I mean at 10. We had jobless claims at 8:30 and 12 we have a Fed speaking today. That 12 o'clock shouldn't really move anything, but if you were waiting for the 10 o'clock data, it shouldn't be so heavy. Tomorrow CPI at 8:30 should give you some indication as well, but that's at
Unless
8:30 in the morning.
unless that Fed says anything different that all the other Feds been saying, because every single Fed just been kind of repeating exactly what Powell said. Unless if they're just the outlier that says, "I believe we should start cutting rates next month or next meeting,"
Yeah,
which I don't. I mean, I don't expect, but that's the only thing that could make a difference. But I am mad I didn't get back into the mouse house. I held them for so long and literally, uh, had to just get out. Seeing that they were kind of broken and did not get back in at the $80 levels. It was just too cheap down there, and it was the perfect time because they were a lot. They were more cheap. They were cheap because of self-inflicted wounds and because things was happening in mouse house, but a lot of it was because of what things was happening in the streaming world and the strength that Netflix was showing compared to all the other streaming platforms. So a lot of it was just kind of it didn't really have to do with anything that they were doing wrong. It's just what the market was.
mm. Yeah. If anybody got into that Palantir 24.10, like I said, if it broke and held above that, and if you took it on the break, uh, you're welcome. But that was ballsy. Disney still holding this 108. It's struggling to get past that 109. If it does and it holds above it, uh, we'll definitely see about maybe 111 today, depending how the market moves. But it has room up to that 110, 111. Roblox is back trying to fight above this 46. I might be done for the day. In all reality,
I might be too. I mean, I'm up 12%
nice. That's huge.
on the overall account, 12.5 as net keeps going higher.
Nice, nice, nice. I'm up about 8% for today.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, I had
I
a little
mean,
bit had a
to
little bit
be
of
up
size on that
12%,
Disney.
8% in the first half an hour. I mean, that's how you buy yourself your time back.
Yep. I had a little bit of size on that trade right there.
All right, good, yeah. I actually I didn't go really full size on any really call, but I did hit on three of them, two Nvidias back to back, and these net. Um, so that kind of gave me some quick gains. Yeah, I might. I mean, Jesus, I don't know what I should do with this net. I might just put a stop loss. I might just put a take profit stop
Take
loss and
yeah, I was
just
gonna
see
say
how much
take
we
it.
can run.
Yeah, do a OCO, take profit, stop loss.
Yeah, yeah, I might just do that and kind of just let it see how high I can run. I'm gonna see if it can get above. Uh, it's at like pretty much 350 right now. I entered at two. Was it 270? Yeah, I'm up 21%. 275.
Okay.
So I'm gonna see if I can crack three. I really want to put it at 350 and higher, but I might just let it. I might just put a $3 take profit, which is a little lower than I want to. I'll still get some profits, but if it doesn't, like, like convincingly break out this level, then you know
What level you looking at? I'll put it up on the chart so that way people can see it on my YouTube.
I kind of want to scalp Nvidia one more time, just because I love Nvidia.
Disney's back above that 109. If you got in those calls, like I said, risking about 40 cents, 40, 50 cents, you're up definitely about 10%, a little, maybe even a little bit more. Palantir, you could have definitely grabbed it. If you took Roblox off my watch, that 46 break and hold above that, you took that, definitely grab some profit all the way up into that 47.22. If you were patient, like I said early today before market open and waited for that 47.22 on Roblox, you shouldn't have gotten in anything in Roblox. Palantir, break and hold. If you took that 24.10 break, it definitely had some volume coming in on that. Some decent volume, I should say, coming in on that. Let's see what I could say for the market before we head out. Anything above 500, break and hold, take it. Any signs of weakness at this 499, 500 on SPY, look for that sign of weakness. Anything up there, you could look for shorts. A bounce level at 496 with confirmation on SPY. Roblox, it's already starting to push up for a move up, most likely to that 47.22 again, but a break and hold above that level. A retest of this 43, 42.5. Disney, if it holds this 108, it's looking to lose some steam here, but it's looking like it might be a squeeze, but we'll see. So you could potentially take the 108 retest, keep tight stops under 107.5. If not, break and hold above this whole move that happened this morning at 109.5. You could take the bounce, high risk bounce at 103, 104 on Disney, or wait for a longer deeper pullback at 100 to 101. Palantir, you could look for a pullback down into this 24. You could even look at it at 24.2. 24.2 to 24 for a pullback. That's basically what I'll be looking at. But I'm going to get out of here. Enjoy my day. I made really good profit this morning. I usually trade longer, but it's not a job.
You gotta buy your time back, man.
Exactly. Time to go on a walk.
So
Enjoy the day.
as we close this, I think we're up 30% on our net call.
Hey.
We're at 28.18. Putting some stop losses at $4 and $3. Take profit $4. Stop loss $3.
There you go. There's no reason he's gonna lose on this trade. He can just walk away completely, no mental capital, just walk away fine with the profits either way.
Yes. Exactly. Thank you.
All right, everybody. It's a good day. It's a good week so far. All right. Let's trade safe. If you're gonna get into any of those that we mentioned, trade safe. Wait for the confirmation. Hope you guys enjoyed another free session. Like and subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, go to Invest for the Best on the Discord. I'll put his link also on the YouTube live stream. And have a good day. Let's get it. It's a good week so far.
Stay green.
All right, everybody. See ya.